All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's word of the day. Magnet. 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 You. Yes. A piece of metal that has properties of magnetism and attracts and repels certain other metals. So attracts or repels. Attract, you. Repel. 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 Yeah. So, I used to have a magnet here, but not anymore. Yeah. It is a strong magnet that is used in factories. They know how to make magnets. He used a magnet in his experiment. Yeah. She has never seen a magnet before. Yeah. Never seen a magnet before. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. It is an old magnet. It's an old magnet. Thousands of years old. That was used in previous experiments. Yeah. How cool is that? These magnets are very useful. Yeah. See, we use these magnets a lot. They can be used for many things. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Certain kinds of magnets are used in factories. So by having stronger magnets, the companies can do more things with them. Yeah. We're making more magnets. So, yeah, the more magnets that are made, the cheaper that they all become. Yeah. So then using magnets in an experiment can be even easier because there are more choices and kinds to use. Makes sense. The more there is, cheaper they are, more experiments that can be done. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So do you think those magnets will still be here? In a few hundred years, this magnet will still be here and working because they are very powerful and always always work. Yeah, they always have a charge. Yeah, charge in them. So let's have a look. Yes, exactly, a charge. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use magnet in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.